Hi everybody, today we're going to be collecting Bramley apples and sloes because we're going to make apple pie, vodka and sloe gin.
Now I've got little Grace attached to me, I'll try and get right in this hedge because these black thorns have big thorns on. I've actually heard stories of people getting a thorn go right through their thumb and out the other side. But there's loads of these blackthorn or sloes, we call them, and in the hedge, and they're really astringent. What we need to do is put them in the freezer, and it's said to sweeten them slightly. We don't seem to get a frost now until January, and some years you hardly get any frost, and so by the time you get to the back end of winter, the birds have eaten them all. We just haven't had some autumns, we just don't seem to have a frost. So that's the quicker way to do it, is pick them, put them in the freezer, and then we can put them in to make sloe gin. So I'm just going to put these sloes in the freezer, leave them in there for a couple of days before we make sloe gin with them. So for this apple pie vodka, it says to use Bramley apples, and we've got a couple of Bramley apple trees here, and I think they must have been in for about 8 years now, but they grow very vigorously. And even though it was supposed to be, I think, a semi-dwarf stock, they get right up there pretty soon after you cut them. So they do become a big tree, even though they seem to be saying they're on dwarf stocks. But we get loads of apples, and I don't mind. You can chip the tops off of these once you cut them down a bit, chip them up, and make a mulch out of them. And our chickens, when we get them, will hopefully keep any bugs that are in them. When they land on the floor, they'll be feeding on them, and it's like a circle of life. It's always like a competition to see who can get the biggest one. There's always some that are absolutely enormous. Yeah, so we're not sure which one's the winner, but that one looks pretty big. Rachael found that one.
Just a really good harvest again. These Bramleys never let us down. There you go, your dream of bringing up children and taking them to harvest things that you've grown, and they're sweet the whole way through.
Vodka.
Going in. We'll do the same with the sloes, except we'll be gin, not vodka. We won't slice them up or anything, they'll just go straight in, and then the sugar will get added. I think for the sloes the sugar gets added at the same time actually, so
yeah,
slightly different. Yeah. It's taken us quite a long time to get to the point where we can harvest things and enjoy them. Even though our trees have been producing fruit for a long time, over the last few years it's really been about infrastructure, and it's been a struggle really, hasn't it? So it's been nice to get to the point now where we can actually start to do things like this. It's only been the last year or so where we've actually been able to have the time to make things, because the rest of the time it was just getting water filtration systems in and getting it so we're warm enough and stuff like that. So
it wasn't a priority, whereas this is a luxury to be able to do these things now. Now you dream of being able to have the good life. You know, the good life's what you want, and when it's just down to trying to do the bare basics, it doesn't always feel very good life at that point. So
no, moving away from surviving to actually enjoying it, which is really nice. And an important part of it, because else it's just drudgery and it can be a really hard life at times. There you go. So that's everything from us for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Thanks.